Oh yeah, thanks. I don't. Yeah, it's just my work laptop. I don't need I don't need that. That's okay. You can have it. Hey, hi, hello, friendos. I've been forgetting to do that in the videos lately, so I'm making a point to do it now. So at the end of last week, Mike and I spontaneously bought a new couch. Peace. It's Anna's favorite place. Anna came over around that time, and after we got it all set up, she and I went to get Asian food at Feast. Mike and I have been playing a lot of City Skylines 2. We're pretty obsessed. The next day, Mike and I ran some errands. We did a quick flight to Sweden. AKA we're in an IKEA. On Sunday, we were gonna go apple picking, and when we got there, we found out that the U-Pick season had ended literally the day before. So we picked up some apples and apple cider donuts and apple cider in their store, but we weren't able to pick apples. But it was okay because we went on this lovely hike and it was a beautiful, gorgeous day out, and honestly, because of the time change, we were there at like practically golden hour, so everything looked gorgeous.
It's so nice out.
We're on a hike.
Go outside this weekend before it gets too cold.
I have been stuck inside all day working, and I'm gonna go on a short little walk because I'm starting to feel a little bit stir crazy. I filmed a short morning routine video on my TikTok and also simultaneously filmed the same clips for this vlog. So that's what you're seeing there. If you don't already, follow me on TikTok. So I just had an identity crisis because I saw this TikTok that was like famous pairings like Anna and Elsa and Amy and what's her name from Little Women? Meg, Beth, Amy, Joe. Joe and Amy from Little Women, and they were matching each of these famous pairs, Rory and Lorelai from Gilmore Girls, to Folklore and Evermore. And I was like, which one am I? Because I love both of those albums so much for different reasons. And so I polled my sister, my best friend, and my fiance. My fiance says I'm Folklore, but my sister and best friend said I'm Evermore. So I think the consensus is that I'm Evermore. But if you have an opinion, leave it in the comments. The rest of my week was mostly working and watching a lot of Gilmore Girls.
Wow, you can afford that? I love that.
Yeah. And then earlier today with Casper, I was like, oh my god, you're not.
You walked in and she's like,
anymore.
the mistake.
We played D&D with our friends as per usual, and enjoyed, honestly, just a lot of lovely fall weather here. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you so desire. See you in the next one.